Yeah, well, g'day everyone. Welcome back to What's Ours 888. Look, I'm just going to revisit the Ryobi line trimmer, whippersnipper, whatever you want to call it. Oh, that thing in the background. This little fella. We've been using the little Azito battery one, and look, it's been okay, but it's just not cutting the mustard now that the lawn's really established. So I need to have a good look at this fuel leak issue we got on the lines, which I think are just deteriorated. So I've been to Bunnings to get one of these. But unfortunately they didn't have any on the shelf, and I got one of the guys there to have a look for me with his little elevator lifty thingy, and said no, none up there. And he said what happens is sometimes the people just pull them out for the priming bulb, and they throw the packet behind, like this one. He said, and he grabbed one off the shelf, which is this little fella. So what someone's done is they wanted the vent line, which is I think it's a light greeny colour. So they've just taken the vent line out and thrown the rest of it away. So I've still got the fuel line with non-return valve. I've got the tool to pull it through, and we've got a new priming bulb. So best thing about it is also good old Dougie, he's done it as no charge, so that cost me nothing. They're 1998, so it wouldn't have mattered. But so then I went over to Auto One. I spent $1.95 on that, and $1.95 on that. I need some more of that, which is in main fuel line, and that's the same size for the vent, which is 1/8, I think it is. So I'm going to go at replacing the fuel line and vent on this, and see if that is all the problem is. If there's more to it, then that's great. Nothing lost apart from $4. If it is the fix, then we've got the petrol line trimmer back working again. So then all I've got to do is find the actual whippersnapper line somewhere over there, I think. So stick around. We'll get this thing underway and see what we can do. Catch you soon. Alrighty, hopefully you can see this okay. I've just got to take the cover off. There's no air filter on these things. Just discard that, move a bit of stuff out of the way. And we've got this shitty fuel line here. There's that one, which just fell off. There was no way that was going to work. Okay, this one here is the vent, and this fella is your fuel line. So there's a bit of messing around to do that. So bear with me, and hopefully I can show you this. We're going to insert new fuel line with that. That's the fella there. It's actually chamfered or tapered. It's actually tapered, and there's a tiny hole there for the tool to go through. There is said tool, and that's got a little hook on there which you get into that hole. Once you've poked it through, hook it on and then pull it through. So what I might do is get the Samsung out and film a bit of this, because I don't know the GoPro is going to pick it up. Righto, so if you can see in there, that one on the right there, that's the vent, and the other fella, that one right there, that's the fuel line with Focus. Anyway, that's a fuel line there. The joys of using a self-focusing camera. So what I'm going to do is just pull these out, get rid of that, and we'll start putting the new ones on. Oh, so I don't know if you can see that over here. So we're just going to pull this out. Well, that was difficult. Pull that out. Right, there's the old crusty fuel line with the original filter on there, non-return valve. What we need to do is feed the retrieval line through there, up into there. Put that through the hole. Put that through the hole. Just put that through the hole. There we go. Now we're going to pull that through said orifice with that poke down inside. Okay, now this is going to be a wee bit tricky. Just need to straighten that up. And give it a bit of a help. Oh, I mean, there we go. Right, as you can see, that's come through. And anyway, you get the idea. Bit hard one-handed. We'll just pull that through, make sure that the non-return valve's at the bottommost part of that, and I'll hook it up to the fuel line. That goes into there. Should be enough, I think. Try a fraction more. That'll do. That'll do, donkey, that'll do. Now, then we get our little fuel line. which I'm hoping is the right size, and I don't think it is. So a wee bit big, but we can twist a little bit of wire on there, which will suffice. So, and I've only got to go to about there. So cut that on a dangle. So about there. And there's the trick. Getting that in there. I don't think I can use that for that. Okay, with a little bit of persuasion, we've got the fuel line and the vent line in. I'm just going to put a bit of a wire crimp around those so they don't come off. Cable tie is going to be too small, I think. We'll see how that goes. We'll put some fuel in it and see if it leaks. Squash that down a smidge. So, yeah, I don't think that's going to fall off. Going to do the primer bowl while I'm here. Might as well. I've got the thing, so we'll whip that off and put a new one on. Just a couple of screws. There's the top of the carburetor. Here's the priming bowl. Oops, one screw, two screws, and boink, there goes the bowl. There's the top of the carburetor. Here's the priming bowl. Oops, one screw, two screws, and boink, there goes the bowl. Hello. Old, new, yep. That's all back together. New priming bowl. Squeaky, squeaky. New fuel and vent line. The only thing I'm worried about is that vent line. Don't think it's going to come off. We shall put that into choke so we can get that on. and flick onto there. Pull the trigger. Choke release. Alright, let's stick some fuel in it and see how we go. Grinder bar. Righto. Alright, the last time I did this, as soon as I primed it, we had the fuel pissing everywhere. I don't see fuel pissing everywhere. Alright, well there you go. Bit of a success, that's working fine. I just got to get used to it now because I've been using the little cordless one for so long, which is light as buggery. So now I've got to get used to the petrol one again with the weight of that, but look, I've got options now, so yeah, if you've got one of these Ryobi line trimmers that's got a fuel leak, pop in the Bunnings and get your thingamajig. Primer bulb and fuel line kit with instructions. Obviously I didn't read them because I'm male, you don't. But yeah, thumbs up, that's working fine. So next time I've got to mow the lawn, we'll whip that unit out and we'll give it a bit of a run and see which one I prefer, the cordless or the petrol. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you soon again on I'll catch you again soon on Was a Harvest 888. Bye for now.